Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go guys Poco mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Poco mobile guys password security setting. And today video title is how to set face lock on lock screen. Friends, you want to set face lock, you want to unlock your phone with face lock. So how to unlock phone with face lock, one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Poco mobile. So friends, in your Poco mobile, open your phone, password security setting. After on friends, after on password security setting, friends, you want to use fingerprint lock, you want to use screen lock, you want to use face lock. So select your password type. So friends, we will click face lock, and when before set face lock, you will have to set first lock screen password. Select your password type. Friends, I will use pattern lock for face lock. Got it? Click here, and friends, remember your password if you do mistake. If you forget your password, you cannot unlock your Poco mobile. So friends, I will use this pattern. Hell come. Start option, friends, click here. Attention notification, guys, wait for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, friends, you can use face lock. Click here next, and friends, show your face in this frame and you can start face lock in your Poco mobile. After show face, friends, click here done option, and friends, in your Poco mobile you can use two face lock. You can add one more face lock data. Draw your device pattern. Friends, click here start option. After 5 seconds, friends, you can add one more face lock. You can use two face lock in your Poco mobile. You want to use, you can use two face lock. Friends, lock your screen, and friends, you want to unlock your Poco mobile. So friends, show your face, and friends, you can unlock your Poco mobile. So like that friends, we can use face lock setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.